Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and today we're talking money. What if I told you growing your own food was like printing your own money? Yes, you too could be rolling in dough. Find out how coming up. Okay guys, so today we're talking money. So how is growing your own produce like printing your own money? I'm talking about saving seeds. That's right, it's that time of year. Saving your own seeds is like printing your own money, because not only will you never have to buy another pack of seeds again, you can also sell those seeds and you can also grow your own produce. So come on and let me show you how. So look at all of these wonderful zinnia flowers. I really want to save a lot of these because they're so beautiful. The diversity amongst colors is just incredible. And I want to save some of these for next year. And this is what I'm going to do. So I need to look for a flower that's at the end of its life. These were some very beautiful flowers, and these right here are at the end of their life. So I'm going to take my clippers and I'm just going to cut off the seed head as I pull these apart. See those?
Yeah.
All of those are seeds. And all I have to do is pull that apart. And I have hundreds of free seeds. We can get thousands of seeds off of this row of flowers. And not only can we plant these seeds out, we can also sell these seeds. So the going rate for a seed right now is about 20 cents. So each one of these seeds is almost a quarter. It's that simple. Growing your own food is like printing your own money. I hope you enjoyed this tip.